Hi everyone and welcome back to Homehead Chef. Today we'll be making a B.L.T dip. This is going to be a rich and creamy dip that's going to be topped with diced tomatoes, lettuce, and bacon. It's a great dish to take to a cookout to switch up from buffalo chicken dip or bean dip that you always see at cookouts and get-togethers. So now I'll step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 8 slices of bacon cooked and chopped, 2 cups of romaine lettuce shredded, and 3 tomatoes chopped. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together our sour cream, our mayonnaise, and our cream cheese until it's all thoroughly combined. Then we're going to mix in our seasoned salt and our garlic powder until that's combined as well. And we're almost done. We're going to transfer this mixture into our serving bowl and then we're going to top it with the rest of our ingredients. Then on with our toppings, we're going to make a nice even layer of our lettuce. And then our tomatoes. You might want to use a bigger bowl. And then our bacon. And then we're gonna get a taste. Let's dig in. You wanna get nice and deep, that way we get the creamy filling, the bacon, the lettuce, and the tomatoes. The perfect bite. That really was a perfect bite. One second. The dip itself is perfectly seasoned. It's a nice, rich, creamy element to it. And the tomatoes, the bacon, the lettuce, it's a match made in heaven. This is really a great dip to serve at a party. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We also have an outdoor channel. If you're interested in that, there'll be a link down in the description for that. We'll see you guys in the next one.